Let's take a run to work in the Dad Wagon. This morning's cold start brought to you by Nameless Performance. I live in the middle of the state, middle of Pennsylvania. So living in Pennsylvania, we have a lot of valleys, a lot of hills, and a lot of farmland. So we go from what we call main roads to these side roads, unmarked roads. We still have some dirt roads, believe it or not. We still have some areas that do not have internet, a lot of farm country. So surprisingly, we didn't see any horse and buggy on the way to work. Horse and buggy being, Amish, people that do not travel by car. And yeah, we still have that. So I always say in my interviews, I pass more cows than I do people. And this is pretty evident. I think going through this video, you saw like maybe 4 or 5 cars. Probably passed a couple hundred horses, a couple hundred cows. So if you have any questions about what it's like living in the middle of nowhere, let me know. Drop it in the comments.